Alright, I'm long right here. What I want to do is I want to anticipate the break of this resistance level. This is a new mover. This just popped up on the scanner. News just came out on this, so I'm going to be a little bit conservative. It could get really choppy here, and the volume is a little bit light. So I'm just playing into the dip, anticipating the resistance breakout. I'm going with a little bit amount of size. I want to probably scale in just a little bit. The reason why I'm not getting out right now is because there's a lot of buyers stepping up at 320 and 317. Watching around that area, yeah, that buyer's getting filled. There's a 12,000 share buyer right there. Let me see if it does a false support breakout. It did. Now I'm looking for the 1 minute candle breakout. Watching. There's still a lot of sellers on this, but that's okay because the volume is low. I got in early so I don't get caught by the volatility. Watching. There's a big buyer right there. 7,000, 8,000, 12,000. 16,000 share buyer. He's just sitting over there watching. Looking for this resistance breakout, anticipating the breakout. I got a really good entry spot, so I'm going to just get out if anything happens. Right here, there's a big seller right there. There's a 17,000 share seller. Once we break intraday highs, that's when we're going to start moving, and volume needs to start coming up right now. Or otherwise, I'm going to get out. We need a breakout right here. Hand on the sell button. Watching. It needs to bounce off of the support level or I'm out. Watching. That's still, the big buyer is still over there. As soon as that big buyer leaves, I'm immediately out. A lot of green on the times and sales. You see that on the right side compared to the red. Watching. We got the breakout. Now we need to see follow through. Volume is starting to pick up. That little blue bar on the bottom. Stock is up 85, 87% now. Volume is starting to pick up. We got an early, lot of green on the times and sales, 7,000, 4,000, multiple thousand share buyers watching. Can we get over 365? We need to see follow through now on this candle. Watching. We need to see follow through. Come on. Yes, green on the times and sales, 2,000 share buyer, 2,765 share buyer. There we go. 88 shares have been traded so far in just seconds. There's like 88 shares going every second. Now 100, 500, 600 shares going every second. Volume is starting to pick up now. 375. What my target is 4. The reason why I'm not getting out is because it is making higher 1 minute candle lows. And I'm just looking. There is a lot of resistance happening right here, so it could have a quick flush. I'm watching 4 because short sellers love attacking whole dollar resistant levels, especially on small caps. But I'm a little bit worried here because the volume is starting to pick up. Watching a lot of green. You see it's not breaking out. There's a 56,000 share seller above 4. I want to see how it reacts over that. No, I'm out right there. I'm out. Yeah, perfect. Perfect play right there. Let's go. Look at that dump. The reason why I got out was because there was a massive short seller, or it could be a seller, watching that whole dollar resistance. What happens is when a whole dollar resistance breaks out, a lot of buyers step in. So that guy who bought a lot of shares, probably where I bought in the beginning, right, wants to get out without slippage. Or a short seller knows that and also wants to attack that level. So we got out. We played it perfectly. I'm happy with $1,500, especially in this market.